Hello everybody, welcome to iExamB's Legal Week. This is Amrita, your law faculty here at iExamB. Embrace the iExamB learning experience with us. If you're preparing for any competitive examination after your law, you're at the right place. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel LegalBee. Stay updated with all the kind of content as well as strategic preparation videos that we keep on providing you here at iExamB. In case of any doubts, you can reach out to us by writing us an email on hello@iexamb.com. Call us on this number, that is 92055240028, and check our online courses available on iExamB's website. Demo भी आप एक्टिवेट करके देख सकते हैं इन सारे कोर्सेज का. Download our app for 50% faster job preparation. I have started a series of important MCQs for banking as well as insurance laws. This is Insurance Laws Related Act, General Insurance Business Nationalization Act that I'm going to cover in this particular video. This is the 9th video of my series. Before we start with our discussion, let me tell you the announcement. Big B days are back. 24th to 27th of September, this ongoing discount offer is there, up to 70% off on all the online courses, and various course-wise offers are also available. These are the biggest discounts of the year at iExamB, so do check it out. Enroll now, and also you can check the details of all the individual offers available on all the courses on our website. First question is, General Insurance Business Nationalization Act is for giving effect to the policy of the state towards securing the principles that are specified in Article 39C of the Constitution, 39D, 36C, 49C, 39A. जनरल इंश्योरेंस बिजनेस नेशनलाइजेशन एक्ट कौन से आर्टिकल से कॉरेस्पॉन्ड करता है? इट्स अ डायरेक्टिव प्रिंसिपल. आंसर इज ए 39C, that is talking about, and actually section 2 of that talks about declaration as to policy of the state. There it is directly mentioned about Article 39 clause C. As per General Insurance Business Nationalization Act, what do acquiring company mean? Any foreign insurance company operating in India, any Indian insurance company formed as a result of amalgamation, any company involved in the merger of two foreign insurance companies, any company formed after the dissolution of an Indian insurance company, any company participating in the amalgamation of two Indian insurance companies. Correct answer is B, any Indian insurance company formed as a result of amalgamation. Indian insurance company formed as a result of amalgamation. Explanation is given in section 3. Definitions. A, acquiring company means what? In that it is mentioned. Under the General Insurance Business Nationalization Act, appointed day means what? Such a day as the central government may by notification appoint, such day being a day later than the second day of January 1973 as the central government may by notification appoint, such day not being a day later than the second day of Jan as the central government may by notification appoint, day later than 22nd Jan as the central government may by notification appoint, and a day later than the second day of Jan as the central government may by notification appoint. Correct answer is the C option. Day later than second day of Jan as the central government may by notification appoint. Again, this is mentioned in section 3 definitions, clause B. What is the definition of a foreign insurer according to this act? I will hereinafter refer it as this act, General Insurance Business Nationalization Act. इस पूरे वीडियो में हम लोग इसी एक्ट से MCQs डिस्कस कर रहे हैं. An insurer incorporated under any law of any state in India, any insurer incorporated under law of any district in India, insurer incorporated under the law of any country outside India, under law of any union territory in India, either A, B or C. A or B or C. Any one can be the correct definition. Correct answer is C, insurer incorporated under the law of any country outside India. Section 3, clause F, foreign insurer. What happens to the shares of every Indian insurance company on the appointment day as per the provisions of General Insurance Business Nationalization Act? They become public property, they remain with the existing shareholders, They are transferred to and vested in the state government free of all trusts, liabilities, and encumbrances affecting them. Transferred to and vested in central government free of all trusts, liabilities, and encumbrances affecting them. They are transferred to and vested in the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority. Correct answer is D, that they are transferred to and vested in the central government free of all trusts, liabilities, and encumbrances that are affecting them. Section 4 talks about this transfer of shares of Indian insurance companies. What action does the central government take regarding the transferred shares of Indian insurance companies as per the provisions of the General Insurance Business Nationalization Act? Shares are auctioned to the highest bidder. Shares are distributed among the employees of the Indian insurance company. Shares are cancelled, cease to exist. Shares are transferred to the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority. Shares are transferred to specified persons to enable the insurance company to function as a government company. Correct answer is E, that the shares are transferred to a specified person to enable the Indian insurance company to function as a government company. Section 4 talks about this kind of transfer. Clause 2. Under the General Insurance Business Nationalization Act, the appointed day, what happens to the undertaking of an existing insurer who is not an Indian insurance company? It remains independent and continues its operations. It is liquidated and the proceeds are distributed among the shareholders. It becomes a joint undertaking between the central government and the foreign insurer. It is transferred and vested in the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority, transferred to and vested in central government and then to an Indian insurance company specified by a notification. Correct answer again is E over here, that it is transferred to and vested in the central government and then to an Indian insurance company specified by a notification. Section 5 covers this point, transfer of undertakings of other existing insurers, that on the appointed day, undertaking of every existing insurer who is not an Indian insurance company shall stand transferred to and vested in the central government, and the central government shall immediately thereafter provide by notification for the transfer to investing in such Indian insurance company as it may specify in the notification of that undertaking. Wherever you feel that the question is lengthy and you have not understood it, you may pause the video and revisit the question as well as the solution. Also, you can download these PPTs and keep them with you for your reference in the future as well. What does the undertaking of an existing insurer include as per Section 6 of the General Insurance Business Nationalization Act? Only tangible assets within India, only cash balances and reserve funds, only books of accounts, registers and records, only investments and other financial instruments, assets, rights, powers, authorities, privileges, property, liabilities and all other interests within or outside India. Correct answer is E only. Assets, rights, powers, authorities, privileges, properties, liabilities, all other interests within or outside India covered under Section 6. Effect of transfer of undertakings covers this point. As for general insurance, again the same act, on the appointed day any suit, appeal or other proceeding related to the transferred business under Section 5 is pending against an existing insurer, what happens on that day? Proceeding is automatically discontinued. Proceeding continues without any changes. Proceeding is effected but can be reinstated later. Proceeding is transferred to a government authority. Proceeding must start afresh with the Indian insurance company. Correct answer is B, that the proceeding continues without any changes. Section 6, effect of transfer of undertakings, covers this point. According to this act, where an existing insurer has created a provident, superannuation, welfare, or any other fund for employee benefits with a constituted trust, what happens to the funds and assets on the appointed day? Funds are liquidated, funds are transferred to the government, funds remain with the existing insurer, funds are distributed among the employees, funds are transferred to the Indian insurance company. Correct answer is E, that they are transferred to the Indian insurance company. Section 8 Provident Superannuation Welfare and Other Funds deals with this specifically. 11th question. This Act provides that in case where not all employees of the Life Insurance Corporation of any other existing insurer become employees of an Indian insurance company, what will happen to the monies and other assets belonging to a fund created for employee benefits? Funds remain with the existing insurer, funds are transferred to the government, funds are donated to a charitable organization, funds are distributed among the remaining employees, funds are apportioned between the trustees and the Indian insurance company. Correct answer is again E, that the funds are apportioned between trustees and the Indian insurance company. Section 8 again covers this point in clause 2. As laid down under the Act, after the commencement of this Act, what action does the central government take in relation to businesses of general insurance? Central government forms a private company, it establishes a cooperative society, hands over the business to foreign corporation, leaves the general insurance business unregulated, forms a government company named the General Insurance Corporation of India. Correct answer is E, that the central government forms a government company which is named as the General Insurance Corporation of India. This is covered under Section 9, Formation of General Insurance Corporation of India. Clause 1 covers this point. What is the authorized capital of corporation as prescribed under General Insurance Business Nationalization Act? Rupees 5 crores, 100 crores, 200 crores, 250 crores divided into 250 lakhs fully paid up shares of 100 rupees each, 250 crores divided into 250 lakhs fully paid up shares of 200 rupees each. Answer is D, 250 crores divided into 250 lakhs fully paid up shares of 100 rupees each. Section 9, Formation of General Insurance Corporation of India. Clause 2 talks about the authorized capital. According to this Act, what is the provision regarding adding the word limited to the name of the corporation? Limited is added as the first word. Limited is not necessary to be added. Must be added as the last word. Added in the middle of the name. Either C or D. That means it can be added as the last word or in the middle. Correct answer is B. It is not necessary to be added. Explanation Section 9. Formation of General Insurance Corporation of India Clause 3 specifies this. It shall not be necessary to add limited in the last word of the name of the corporation. As the last word, it is not necessary, notwithstanding anything contained in the Companies Act. Last question for today. General Insurance Corporation and insurance companies specified in Section 10A of the General Insurance Business Nationalization Act may raise their capital to meet solvency margin, increasing their business in rural and social sectors for other purposes as the central government may empower in this behalf all A, B and C, both B and C. Out of this, which is correct? D, that is all A, B and C, all are the correct reasons for raising capital to meet the solvency margin, increase their business in rural and social sectors, and for the purposes as the central government may empower in this behalf. This is directly picked up from Section 10B of the Act, Enhancement of Equity Capital of General Insurance Companies. For more such kind of videos, stay tuned with us. Prepare 50% faster for your exams with iExamB. Download our app from the Google Play Store and check out the full course access available. Thank you everybody. Have a good day.